Dear friends, let us love one another, for love comes from God. Amen, amen, amen. Hello friends, welcome to my channel. If you're brand new here, my name's Gina. I'm the creative here on YouTube behind Create and Daydream. And today I am sharing the Spiral Bible, which has now become my absolute favorite new Bible. And I love them so much. If you're here and you're like, hey, I already know I want one of these, there's a link in my description. You can use code BLESSUP for 20% off and free shipping, which is really cool that Spiral Bible did that for me. So thank you. Okay, so I want to jump off here with a little disclaimer that you will never find anything on my channel that I do not absolutely love. I'm not going to share a product that I don't love or I don't use. So I want everything to be genuine and authentic on my channel, and the Spiral Bible is something that I do love. I was unsure of how I was going to use it in the very beginning, and I don't know, I just was praying on it, and God was like, hey, what are you doing? Why don't you use it as a journaling Bible, and then you can use the World English Bible version, the web version that the Spiral Bible came out with, for a full-on study Bible. So that's what I am doing, and I'm super excited about it. If you're here and you're not familiar with the Spiral Bible, first of all, it's handmade in America. Come on, God bless the USA, my friends. God bless the USA. They have the New Testament is in one notebook, and then they have the Old Testament currently in 4 notebooks, because the Old Testament has a lot. They have it divided up, and I really love that about that. So let me talk about what you're seeing here. What I've decided here in the front is I have a little guide telling me, okay, this is what we've worked on in this Bible. So I am doing Camp Living Hope with Illustrated Faith. All those tabs at the top go with somebody who wrote a devotional this summer. So like the pink is Lisa Stanner. She wrote everything. She was a curator. She was the writer. She brought writers in. So what I've done is I've taken printables from the Illustrated Faith Print and Pray shop. I've printed them on clear Maco sticker paper, and that's what you're seeing on the side. And let me tell you, if you're someone that does not want to cover up any words, this is the way to go. Clear Maco sticker paper allows for you to put stuff over the words, but you can still read through it, which I just love that about that. I will link that below for you. The little colorful tabs I also found on Amazon, and I don't know, I want to say there's like 12 different colors, and you get a whole slew of them. So I'll link those below in case you guys want to do something like that. But you can use any sort of tabs. Like, take these Bibles and make them your own. However you want to do that. A Bible is for you, and for you to study, for you to create in, for your relationship with Jesus and how you want to creatively worship Him, or how you just want to spend time and meditate on His Word. It is a very personal thing, so remember that. Remember that. Okay, so what you're seeing me point at in here is just pages that I've done. Some of them, again, relate to the Illustrated Faith Summer Camp. Some of them relate to just sets that I used in here, and I love it. So let me give you a couple tips here. This black writing on this page is done with a Tombow marker, and I actually wrote all of it on top of clear Maco sticker paper. So if you see this and it looks like it's written right on the lines of the page, it's not. I've put clear Maco sticker paper down there because it's a matte finish, and it takes to that Tombow marker very well. Here on this page, I took a little gel pen. I will link that. I got that idea from Heidi Swap. She does a bunch of documenting, and I loved her pen. And then I'm also bringing in stamps. So I stamped the verses at the bottom. So here you can see at the bottom 1 John 2:6. So it takes to stamping. It doesn't bleed through on the other side. And I'm using STAZON ink right now in here. And here's just another little spot where I've taken the cute little ephemera, I've put it on clear Maco sticker paper, and I've kind of put it over onto the words, and I can still read the words, which, again, I love this so much. So something else is you probably see these tabs over on the right. Let me tell you that I have tabbed a good portion of this. I'm working on a set called Books of the Bible Bits, and I'll share that below. I'll share all the sets that I have in here below if you want to check those out. But what I did was I took the tabs, I put them double-sided, so I printed them on cardstock, I put them double-sided, I stamped the name on, and then just recently I decided to come in and stitch them down, and it took really well to this paper. So that is just another thing. This isn't super flimsy like copy paper. This is a decent sturdy paper, and it allows for you to go in and, you know, write your stuff down or put stickers on it or sew tabs on it. So just remember that as well. Other absolute favorite thing about Spiral Bible is that the pages are white. Bless up, bless up, bless up. I love white pages. I believe I have one journaling Bible with white pages, and I really like the color bouncing off the white page. I like to see my writing better from the white page. So something important that, I don't know, something important for me, not for everybody, but you know, it's all good. And then as you can see here, the front of each book, so here's the Romans Corinthians that I just closed up. That was the very front of that book. There's no massive like, this is Romans. It just jumps right into it to allow you to just go straight in. So I divided those up with tabs. I did the little books of the Bible bits that gives you like a name, it gives you the time frame, what the book's primarily about, etc. So here, last but not least, is my web version. This is brand new. I'm going to be coming back with a whole video on this to talk about how I'll be using this strictly as a study Bible. I also have videos for the 4 books of the Old Testament, so stay tuned for that. I'm super excited about this. So again, my affiliate link is in the description. Use code BLESSUP for 20% off and free shipping. And y'all, I will see you soon. Thank you so much for being here. God bless each and every single one of you. Bless up, my friends.